Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am introducing you to my Notion journal template designed to help you stay organized, motivated and reflective every day. So whether you are new to journaling, looking for a digital system to simplify it, this template has all you need to focus on your goals, capture your daily moments and track your personal growth. Journaling isn't just about recording your day. It's a way to reflect, set intentions and stay mindful. So this template will help you with each step of that process. So here is an overview of the template layout. This is how the template looks like, and I have divided the template in 3 parts. The first part is days, like I have listed all the days here from Monday to Sunday, and the second part talks about life domain, like how you divide your life in different domains. So I have divided mine in these one, and this is where you will have all your journal entries. So let's jump in now and I'll explain each section in detail so you can see how it all works together. So we will start with the days section. I'll just click one day from here. Today it's Monday only, so I'll just take Monday. The moment you see the page, you will see these 5 things on the top of this. So basically it's the dates. I am just going to fill in today's date. Life domain. So I hope you remember that I have divided this in 3 parts. So I'll give this today to maybe studies or work. So because I have a lot of things to do today. In short, like how do you define your day in short, in a line, in a word, or if there is something special event which you are excited about. Next is mood. So you can track your mood here and what are your ratings for the day. So basically I fill this portion at the evening or before bed so that I can rate my whole day. Let's start with the goals section. This is where you set the intentions and remind yourself of your main focus. It can be anything, long-term goals, daily goals. Now next we have the daily recap section. Here you can quickly jot down the key moments, highlights of your day. Think it as a brief summary of the day. So this helps you see what you have accomplished and appreciate your day, even in small ways. The third section is the gratitude list. This is a powerful way to shift your mindset and bring positivity into your life. So every day write down 3 things you are grateful for, and trust me, your life will be different from what it is now. After that, there is a reflection section. This is where you dig in a bit deeper. Like what did you learn today? How did you feel today? Reflect on your experiences, reflect on your behavior, reflect on your actions and all that things. I have created a layout here for the 3 things, your actions, your behavior and your mood. So if there is something else you want to add, you can just add this, and I'll teach you how you can add this. And the next we have free writing section. This section is for everything else, whether it's creative idea, random thought or things you are processing. Lastly, we have a note section. So basically I loved this idea of note section. This is perfect for capturing quotes, lessons or insights you picked up during the day. Maybe you read something inspiring or someone gave you some valuable advice. So this section can keep those gems safe. So this template is designed to be flexible. Feel free to adjust it and add sections that suit your style. Now let me teach you how you can edit this template. Okay, so basically if you want to change the page layout, so what you can do is you can just click anywhere and add a slash. So you will have many options, like what do you want to do, whether you want to add a text, page, to-do list, and it's a long list. So you can go through this and just edit it the way you want. You can add images, for example, if you want to add a quote here, so you can just add an image, link, a video, a audio. Okay, now comes the second thing. If you want to edit the template, this is the layout which I have prepared for each day. So if you want to add a new property here, so basically what you can do is go to add property and you will have many options here. Like for example, you have so many options. So for example, if you want to create a checkbox, so for something habit, so for example let me create for meditation. So you can just create it, and whenever you are done with the meditation, you can just click a checkout on this. After you are done with this, what you have to do is go back and do some changes. You won't be able to see the checkbox here. So what you have to do is you have to just go and in the properties, just show this property. Okay. Now let me teach you how you can edit the page layout. like the page layout. Okay, let me tell you what am I talking about. How can you edit this, like call section, or how can you change this layout if you want to add something new, if you want to change something, so how you can do that. For that we have to create a new page here, and if you will scroll down you will see different templates here. So what you have to do is you have to edit these templates. For example, you want to change the layout for Monday, so go to Monday and click on edit, then you will be opened with this page. So whatever changes you will do in this page, those changes will be applied to all the Mondays. Similarly, if you want to change the layout of any other page, for example for Saturday, so you can just repeat the same process. Go to edit and then change the layout as per your requirement or preferences. Okay, if you would like to try this template for yourself, I have included the link in the description below, so just click on that link, duplicate the template to your Notion workspace and start journaling today. Remember one thing, journaling doesn't need to take much time. Even 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference in clarity, focus and self-awareness. So this template is here to guide you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal growth and productivity. And let me know in the comments if you are excited to start journaling or what journaling has taught you so far. See you in the next video. Bye bye.